Another issue that is somewhat on the cutting edge and does not affect all properties, but is certainly important, is the impact or effect of contamination or environmental stigma of one sort or another on a particular property. The situation arises when a particular property either has environmental contamination present on it, or possibly located right next to it, that might cause the fear of contamination to your property because of the possible flow of contaminants from one property to another. The question arises is whether or not the discount that might be applied to your property because of the contamination is in fact a proper discount that should be incorporated into the determination of just compensation to be paid to you as a property owner with that type of a property. Right now, the decisions around the country are split on this decision, on this issue, pardon me. There have only been, I believe, 7 jurisdictions out of the whole country that have actually addressed it. We expect this to be a cutting-edge issue, and obviously, from the perspective of a property owner, and all we represent are property owners. We do not represent condemning authorities. But from the perspective of a property owner, we obviously believe that the jurisdictions which have said that contamination should be disregarded or not considered in determining just compensation is the proper way to go. I think what's important for you as a viewer to know is that if you have that kind of a situation, be aware that that the law is undeveloped there, and that there are jurisdictions that do recognize that the existence of contamination should not be considered in determining just compensation, or in other words, it should not be considered to lower or reduce the amount of money that is paid to a property owner whose land is being taken.